I'm so excited. I'm Stephanie. This is Deliberately Creative, and I'm packing for a quick little over 3 night little trip out in the van. And I am so excited because I've been wanting to get out and away from the house for months. This is going to be fun. Now, I want to take some stuff on the trip, and I'm trying to pare down. I think I've got it pared down, so I want to share. This is what I'm taking on a 3-day trip or 3-night trip in a van. So it's car camp type of thing. You know, we're not getting on an airplane. However, I've got it down to just this. That's not too bad, right? And if I had to, I could leave the box and carry everything in a small day pack, and I would be fine. But because I've got space to tuck things, and I've got a carrier bag in the van that's got pockets that I can put things in, and this box will actually fit in it. So I want to show you what I've got, what I'm taking on my trip. All right, so this is really quick, guys. This is what I'm taking on a 3-day trip. I have a kneaded eraser, a Kum pencil sharpener that's the 2 holes. I have an assortment of colored pencils, water brushes, and pens in here. I've got watercolor, Neocolor 2, 10 of them. Look at that. 10 colors. I put this little set of colors together so that they would be the colors I would be likely to use. It is springtime in the Pacific Northwest. Flowers are blooming all over the place. So I have white, black, brown, purple, Prussian blue, turquoise blue, light olive green, yellow, vermilion, and scarlet. Neocolor 2s. Fits right here. I have a mechanical pencil and more leads for it. You can never have too many clips. So I've got a clippy. I have pen. I have more water brushes. I have a white Signo Uniball. More water brushes and some double-ended brush pens. These are all in shades of gray. They are water-soluble Tombows. That's that one. And then I have the Viviva watercolor sheets. So if I want to do a little watercolor, I've got that. I also have a full set of Holbein Gouache. Lovely set. If you want to see how I made this palette of colors, please check out the video right up there. And I've got a collapsible water dish with the, has the little ruffles along the top so that you can lay your brushes. After you've rinsed them, you can let them dry. That does not fit inside the box. The paper that I'm going to be drawing and coloring on, again, another ginormous clip. I have a Zen Art Sketchbook. It has real shiny kind of not shiny, but it has sort of slick paper, which is awesome for doing the doodles on. Yeah, this was a lot of Christmas. It needs some love. Doodle gems, can do those with the watercolors, with the pens, just with the gray pens, and black with the gouache. And I have a new doodle gem coloring book that I am working on, so be in the lookout for that. Oh, here, let me show you one of the design pages. So look at that. All of the centers of the flowers to be done like doodle gems. And the book will have information on how to do doodle gems. So it's going to be really cool. Then, oh, okay, I'm going to brag. I'm working on 2 coloring books at once. So I am also working on Cute Camper Vans, Van Life Adventure Coloring Book. And they are all original hand-drawn designs. So I'm not, it's not like I'm downloading somebody else's already made artwork. I'm making my own. And there's going to be a lot of the VW style, the Sprinter style, the Winnebago style, anything that is camper van-ish. Even, you know, converted Chevy vans. But there won't be any branding on any of the things because I'm not going to be that person that gets in trouble for trademarks. But just for style, I love it. Anyway, so I'm real excited for that coloring book coming out. And I did pull some of the paper out of this Canson XL watercolor book. Instead of bringing the whole book with me, I just pulled some sheets out and tuck them inside of this sketchbook that I made. So I made a couple sketchbooks. This one is all white paper. It's the sulfite acid-free white paper. And this one is the white and black sulfite papers. And they are all acid-free. The pages are all 9x12. And I have information up in the iCard for the video on how to make these sketchbooks. So you can make a ton of sketchbooks for super cheap. And I'm taking that with me. But I wanted to take some watercolor paper with me also. And this is big enough pieces I can do multiple little vignette paintings. I'm so excited. This camping trip is long overdue. I have been wanting to get out and go camping for months. I know it's only April, but I've been wanting to go since December. I live in the Pacific Northwest. We have pretty weekends even in January, you know? So the ginormous clip holds these guys together. Whoops, as long as I can, there. So then these aren't falling all over, but they are all together. And the cool thing here, this is an easel box that I can put up at different angles. And I can use it on my drawing table. If I don't want this thing in the way, a lot of times I will just set that like this and set my stuff on here. I can also set things on here, have it ready to go, and I can use a clip to hold it. And now it's not going to blow away when I'm drawing out in nature. I'm so excited. I am really, really excited for this. I hope that you guys are having fun getting out doing something creative. If you like this quick little what I'm taking for a 3-day trip, which is actually pretty much what I would take for a week trip, I might add more paper supplies. And I would maybe add some acrylic paint to it. But otherwise, I can doodle, I can watercolor, I can gouache, I can neocolor, you know, the wax, water-soluble wax crayon. I can color pencil, all right here. Everything fits. You don't have to jam it all in. And there we go. It's what I'm taking for a 3-day trip, and I'll let you know how this all went when I get back. Take care, guys. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, share. Do something creative. Take care of yourself so you can take care of those around you. I want to see you back here again really soon.